Hey guys, so I wanted to show you, my client just left and I have some time to clean. I always give myself an hour in between each person, but I actually have some time to film today too, I should say. How I clean in between each of my clients. I hope that you guys can hear me through my mask. But I'm just gonna show you guys how it is. Usually I have music on during this, but because I don't wanna get demonetized, I don't have music on during this. So it's gonna be a little boring, but let's get to it. Okay, so even though I only use one chair, I sweep all of the chairs, and then I'm gonna go in with the vacuum in a minute. But I get that all up in my eye vac. Also, I usually don't wear long sleeves. I usually only wear my scrubs and scrub pants, but today I'm not because it's very, very cold when I came in this morning. I just couldn't bring myself to change. So anyway, that's the story. But my scrubs and everything like that go in the laundry at the end of the night. Every night ends the same, where all the towels that were used for the day go into the washing machine, any capes, everything like that. Nothing gets reused ever, even before COVID. And then it gets washed, and in the morning when I come in, I put on the dryer for as long as I can because it's very loud. So I try to do it before my clients get here. All right, so here's our cleaning products. And I also use a towel. This is not a towel that I use on hair. I have different towels for hair and different towels for cleaning, and they look very different. Let me show you guys so that you guys can know that I'm telling you the truth, and then I'll go over some of these cleaning products. Okay, so this is a cleaning towel, and then this is a hair towel. I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell they're very different. So this one is just a thicker, nicer quality, and plus they have bleach marks all over them because I do hair with them. But it also has like this here, and that's how I differentiate between. So I have a few of these towels that I clean with because I try to be eco-friendly, and then the rest of them get used for hair and stuff like that, just to show you guys the difference. So let's get into this. So this is a disinfectant spray, and it's good for cleaning like everything. It's like literally a salon spray that you're supposed to be using in your life. So I like to spray down anything that I've used during this time that I wouldn't like wash otherwise. So we just, I don't know if you see me, yeah, you can see. So these are the things that I just used. Spray them down, put them away. There's this. Also my scissors I spray down with this as well. For my buzzer, I want to get closer so you guys can hear me. For my buzzer, I soak those in the back. So this is called Ship Shape, and this I spray on basically everything to clean. It's again something that you get at hair salons to clean. But there's also a powdered version of this, so I use that in the sink, and that I use for any of my combs. Before I put it in the barber side, I have a double sink in the back. So one side is for dirty, one side's for clean. So I clog the drain with, the little thing. I plug the drain and I fill it with water, and then I put the powdered one in there. I'll show you guys that later. And that's for all the foils I use, clippers for barber, like all the attachments go in there. My combs go in there before they go on the barber side. As for like the actual clippers that I use for like short haircuts or buzzer cuts, those get sprayed with the disinfectant spray that I just, don't they know I'm filming? Those get sprayed with the disinfectant spray that I just showed you. Brushes and combs go in the back. They get put with the Ship Shape, and then they get put in the barber side afterwards. So I'm just gonna put these over here just so I could focus on this area. Okay, so then I go in with my stainless steel cleaner. It's just a stainless steel cleaner. take the ship shape and I spray down the tops and the mirrors and the chairs. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you this other side over here, which nobody used, but I still clean it. And then I'm gonna bring these in the back and show you that too. But let's do this first, maybe? I'm trying to figure out what would be better with the camera. Let me vacuum first. I'm gonna vacuum now. anybody in here, I usually use it to like keep products in or keep my reusable foils in before I clean them. I don't really use this. I still wipe it down obviously, but it's not really used. This one is the one that I always use. All right, let's go into the back now so I can show you the rest. Come with me and you'll see. All right, let's do the bathroom. Bathroom we do a little bit different. This goes in the toilet. This is like a bleach alternative substitute kind of thing. You guys see me? This is me spraying the toilet. We have the disinfectant spray. Goes on the doorknobs. We have a lot of plants in the salon to try to purify the air in here. We get on some food service gloves. Roll up those sleeves. These, we take some paper towels. We wipe down everything. Handles on the sink. Wipe it all down. Doorknob handles, both sides. Get some freshies, and then we do the toilet seat. Take off our gloves, throw them out, wash our hands. Alright, so this is where the actual magic happens. So I'm just going to give you guys an overview. I'm not going to sit here and clean each one with you because that would be torture for you guys. And also I have to get my dryer on and start actually doing laundry. But we have the washing machine here, and above here we have the pods that gets done every night. On this side we have the dryer and some more cleaning cloths. And then in here is the double wide sink, which I told you these are new products that just came in that I actually have to go through and sort. But let me give you guys an overview of this really quick. So we have the double sink here, and then over here you can see the gloves hanging. That's where I put these foils. Once they're clean, they're not foils, they're reusable. That's where I put it up here to dry once I clean it. Sorry, it's a little dark right now, but hold on, let me see if I can fix that. Is that better? That's better. All right, so this is the dirty side and this is the clean side. I also have a bleach spray bottle. So the funny thing is when you clean stuff, you have to watch what chemicals you clean with because you don't want it to affect the hair color at all. Something you learn over time. But this bottle had bleach in it. It actually was clogging the nozzle, so I just started it was a bleach and water mixture. So oftentimes I put it in here and I use it to wipe down the sink. I have to refill that. I have sponges in here, which are great. And then I have little crates in here. So anyway, so this is the side that has the reusable stuff in it. And then I'm going to grab over here to show you guys the ship sheet that I use. So this gets put in here, and then everything soaks in there. Put brushes in there, combs in there, everything like that, and including my reusable mesh foils. And then I have my barber side over here. And then all the combs, once they're done being cleaned and everything like that, they go in the barber side. All right, so I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys, hold on, let me get over here. So I hope that you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry I did this with my mask. I really did not have to, but it's all right. I love you guys so much. Just advertising. And I will see you guys later. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.